Audio script 4.1. Listen to the audio and answer the following questions.
Hi, I'm Susie. I work as an assistant. Let me tell you about my daily routine. On weekdays, I always wake up at 6:45 a.m. and have a shower every morning because it helps me feel energetic. Then I feed my dog and have my breakfast at 7:30 a.m. I usually have toast and orange juice. I always do the dishes after breakfast and leave home at about 8 a.m. I drive to work on weekdays and it takes me about 20 minutes to get to the office. I start work at 8:30 a.m. and finish at 6 p.m. I do the shopping 3 times a week to buy my daily needs. I arrive home at around 6:30 p.m. and have dinner at 7 p.m. I rarely eat out because I love cooking. After dinner, I take out the trash and walk my dog. Well, I never watch TV on weekdays, but I surf the net and talk to my mum on a video call every night. Once a week, I meet my friends for a chat at a cafe. I usually go to bed at 11 p.m.
Audio script 4.2. Listen to the audio. Circle the subject of the text.
Nowadays, some people prefer to live in nature, especially those in crowded cities. They want to stay away from modern technology like the internet, mobile phones, electricity, and all other modern lifestyles. Of course, there are a lot of different reasons behind their decisions. For example, some people want to live an independent life without working long hours to pay for electricity, water bills, and other expenses. They know they can get all of these things from nature for free. On the other hand, some people want to fulfill their goals like writing a book or learning new things. And some people want to stay away from the stressful life in the city. They say the sound of nature brings them happiness and joy. As for the last reason, we can say that some people want to be their own bosses to organize their daily lives as they like. Although this way of life sounds difficult, we know how nature's power heals many people's problems.
Audio script 4.3. Listen and practice the sounds and words in the table below.
S, laughs, stops, cooks, students, hats, z, runs, brings, sees, mills, holidays, is, watches, changes, misses, boxes, dishes.
Audio script 4.4. Listen to the audio and check your answers in exercise B.
S, helps, walks, writes. Z, disasters, goes, says. Is, bosses, reduces, catches.
Audio script 4.5. Listen to the tongue twisters. Then practice them as fast as you can.
1. 6 slimy snails sailed silently. 2. Zitzes zippy zipper zips.